This is your sign to throw a Fiesta theme party this summer. Start by adding a crisp white tablecloth to your table. Next, add a burst of color with this Mexican Serape table runner. Add even more pops of color to your space with this vibrant backdrop featuring Mexican-themed stripes and beautiful flowers. Now we set the table with royal blue beaded charger plates, blue crystal cut tumbler cups, and fuchsia cloth napkins. And you can add gold premium plastic silverware for a little extra flair. For a standout centerpiece, use our shiny gold ceramic letter vases spelling Fiesta and fill them with some white faux flowers. Complete the look with a few mini succulents, and there you have it, a festive Fiesta-themed tablescape ready to impress your guests. Thanks for watching and happy partying!